Welcome back everyone. I'm Emma, and in today's video I'll walk you through the essential steps on how an admin can efficiently manage their coworkers in the PSI App Store. So, let's dive right in. When a new company is registered, the assigned user becomes the default admin. In case of self-registration, the first user of a new company automatically gets assigned the role of an admin. As an admin, you can create a new coworker account. There are two ways an admin account can manage user or colleague accounts. The first one is to simply set up the username and email address. Once done, the coworker will receive two verification emails. One will contain the username details, and the other will guide them through the password reset process. Upon successful setup by the coworker, you'll see them in your coworker list. It's important to note that coworkers must log in and set their password within 7 days to avoid account removal. Also make sure your new coworker is maintaining its user profile after successful registration. The second way an admin account can manage user or colleague accounts is when there's a new account request for an existing company name and tax ID. The admin gets a notification and decides on approval. The coworker receives a verification email with a link. After verification, two automated emails are sent, confirming account creation and activation. Once verified, users can navigate their user profile and preferences easily. Just remember, PSI Tenant approves users for new company accounts only. Now let's talk about company privileges administration. As an admin, you can manage the coworkers list and adjust admin user privileges. Multiple admin users can be assigned to a company for streamlined administration. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on managing coworkers in the PSI App Store. Stop dreaming, start using PSI App Store. Explore our full range of products now. Until next time.